15 important things you should tell your husband every day for a happier marriage. Number 1. Make it a habit to start your day saying good morning, and ending your evening with a good night. Number 2. I'm so glad that I married you. Number 3. I know you'll make the right decision. Number 4. I believe in you. Number 5. I appreciate how hard you work to provide for our family. Number 6. You're an outstanding husband and father. Number 7. How was your day? Number 8. What can I do for you? Number 9. I hope I am able to understand you well. Number 10. Say please and thank you. Number 11. I am more in love with you than ever. Number 12. I respect you. Number 13. I'm sorry. Number 14. I'm here for you. Number 15. Last night was amazing. I want to be in your arms again, soon. Friends, what else would you add to this list? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.